Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at exporting our print reports as a rich text format, or also known as RTF. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we head back into the program here. Now I'm just going to quickly head back to the print, and then we keep the information the same, and then we go to our actual export. Now from the actual export, we want to go to our save as type again. We're going to go all the way down to the RTF. Now you can see there's two different ones. We've got the RTF, the Microsoft Word, and then we've got the rich text format. Now you'll see the Microsoft Word one says editable, so that means obviously if you wanted to edit it, you can still do that. Now when it comes to the actual format, I'm just going to put in the name here, RTF. Now yeah, this one has been around for donkey years, as they say. It's I think about 35 years old already. It was introduced in 1987. The developer is by Microsoft, and it was originally designed as obviously a rich text format, so it can obviously hold more than just text in it. So it's you can do the formatting and all of that. And I think it was originally purposed to kind of do like a form of cross-platform document, so you could interchange with different Microsoft type products. So yeah, it's a nice one, but once again, it's unless you actually have a need for it. Once again, my default is PDF, but a lot of these formats are nice if you want to do editing. So if you want to edit it and then re-export it as a PDF, it's fine. And obviously the other cases, let's say a client is looking for something specific, then you know, if he's saying, no, I want an RTF file, then okay, cool. You send him RTF because chances are he's got a program he uses that requires that type of format. If we just open it here, you can see this is inside a normal Word, so it's not an Excel, and everything is laid out pretty neatly. We obviously don't have columns separating things properly, but this is quite it's rather decent if you consider this is just a text document or a Word document. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the RTF file format. If we had to head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. You can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.